The MV Doña Paz, a ferry brimming with Christmas cheer, departed Manila. Families huddled together, excited to reach their destinations. Children clutching gifts peered through crowded decks at the receding city lights. Laughter and chatter filled the air, a symphony of hope ready to usher in the holidays. The ship sliced through the calm waters of the Tablas Strait. A sense of normalcy, of routine pervaded the vessel. Passengers settled in for the night, lulled by the gentle rocking of the ferry. Dreams of reunions and celebrations filled their minds. The promise of a new dawn, however, held a tragic secret. A deafening roar shattered the night's tranquility. The Doña Paz, engulfed in flames, became a terrifying beacon in the darkness. A collision with the oil tanker, Vector, had unleashed a horrifying inferno. Screams pierced the night as fire, fueled by burning oil, spread rapidly through the ferry. The intense heat melted dreams into nightmares. Panic gripped the passengers as they scrambled for safety, only to find themselves trapped in a floating pyre. The smell of burning flesh mingled with the pungent odor of oil and smoke, creating a suffocating miasma of death. The cries for help, lost in the roar of the fire, faded into the cold, unforgiving night. Dawn revealed the horrific aftermath. The once proud Doña Paz was now a mangled, smoldering wreck. The surface of the sea was littered with debris, a grim testament to the tragedy. Rescue workers searched frantically, their faces etched with despair. But the sea, a silent witness to the night's horrors, offered no solace, only a smattering of bodies. The official death toll stood at over 4,000, making the sinking of the Doña Paz the deadliest peacetime maritime disaster in history. The sheer magnitude of the loss left the world speechless. The sea, which had swallowed so many souls, held the answers to their fate, answers forever lost in its murky depths. The Doña Paz tragedy sent shockwaves across the globe. Investigations revealed a chilling lack of safety measures on the overcrowded ferry. Life jackets were locked away, and the crew was ill-prepared for an emergency. The disaster exposed the negligence that had put profit ahead of human life. The sinking of the Doña Paz led to reforms in maritime safety regulations, a bitter consolation for the families who lost their loved ones. The tragedy serves as a chilling reminder of the importance of vigilance and responsibility at sea. The memories of those lost in the fiery abyss continue to haunt, a somber reminder of the night the sea burned.